Let's boil delicious garlic cabbage chicken soup today. The nutritional value of cabbage itself is relatively high. If it is used to make soup, the taste is relatively light. Not only does it taste good, it can also help everyone lose weight. Cabbage is rich in vitamins and crude fiber, so it can keep the skin moist and prevent constipation. Garlic can reduce deposition on the inner wall of blood vessels, reduce artery blockage, stroke, and myocardial infarction. It can reduce blood lipids and blood viscosity, resist platelet aggregation, and reduce the occurrence of heart disease, cerebral thrombosis, and cerebral hemorrhage. Save this recipe now so you can refer back anytime you like in the future. YouTube. There are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Let's start cooking now. Cabbage. Red dates. Garlic or chopped garlic. Red dates remove seed. Cabbage cut into small pieces. Drumstick. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add cabbages. Add drumstick. Sprinkle red dates. Pour 2 big bowl water. Cover the lid and cook for 30 minutes. Soup is cooked. Smells so good. Wow! Look at the clear soup. Season with 1 teaspoon salt, optional to add chicken cubes. Pour soup into soup bowl. Delicious garlic cabbage chicken soup is done. This soup is delicious. Give it a try. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Red dates have the effects of replenishing qi, nourishing blood and calming the nerves, strengthening the spleen and stomach, etc. It is a good health supplement for patients with weak spleen and stomach, insufficient qi and blood, fatigue, insomnia, etc. It is also very suitable for symptoms such as hotness, insomnia, neurasthenia, etc. of menopausal women. If you often suffer from insomnia, you might as well make a cup of red date tea at night. As for the number of red dates, nutrition experts say that generally no more than 5 red dates of normal size should be eaten. For large red dates, we usually eat 2 or 3. For smaller dates, we eat 8 to 8 a day. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.